Just a short while ago, the Aam Aadmi Party has announced its decision to form a government in Delhi. Also, along with it came Sheila Dikshit's rebut, who has warned that this is not unconditional support. This is very much conditional. Let's listen in to Sheila Dikshit.
Former Chief Minister Ms. Sheila Dikshit. Ma'am, finally Delhi voters are going to have a government, but it's going to be Arvind Kejriwal who's going to be Chief Minister. The support that Congress has extended is conditional and it's time bound, and it will be based on the performance of the AAP government.
It's the support is from the outside, and it is based on what they do. You know, what they have promised, we hope they will fulfill it. It will be based on that. It's not unconditional, it will be performance based.
Ma'am, there is a section within the Congress that feels that the Congress should have not extended support because this relationship cannot be based on trust, because the entire campaign of Kejriwal was against the Congress. It was also personally against you. Do you feel that it would have been more pragmatic to have gone in for a re-election?
No, I think the entire party, which is collectively, the party decided that we should give them a chance to be able to fulfill what they have promised the people. That we are doing, but as I said, that it's not unconditional support. As time goes, as time progresses, and as their work starts, then we will take each issue separately. There's no bar in removing support in case we feel that it is anti-people or anti-public.
The Congress has maintained that the promises that were on AAP's manifesto were unrealistic. So do you think that they can manage to fulfill those promises? Are you waiting? Are you going to cooperate with them, or are you waiting for them to get exposed?
There's no question of cooperation. They are going to form a government. As a government, they will take decisions. And we will see that, well, have you fulfilled those decisions or not? But that's all.
Ma'am, do you think they can deliver on the water and electricity promise?
Well, if they could deliver on that, we could have given a bigger subsidy or a bigger cut. If you can give free water and you can give 50% less in power.
So, from your own experience, you feel it's not possible.
My experience certainly says it's not possible. It's not feasible. However, since they have made this promise to the people and got a vote on account of those promises, I think an opportunity should be given to them to fulfill that.
Ma'am, my last question, what lies ahead for you? Are you going to fight the Lok Sabha election in 2014?
No. I haven't even thought about that. Please leave me to myself.
So there you have it, the Congress maintaining that this is time-bound, merit-based support, conditional support that they're extending to Arvind Kejriwal. Nandita Suneja in Delhi for Times Now.